In this video, we'll be covering some more questions from class 6 mathematics Ganit Prakash new syllabus from chapter 1 to 5. Let's get started. What would you call the following sequence of numbers? This is first part of question number 19. What is the next number is the sequence? This is B part, and explain the rule behind forming this shape. So there are three parts in the same question. What you call the following sequence of number? First, let's draw what shape these patterns are giving. So how many sides are there? There are 6 sides. So what we call it? We call it as hexagonal numbers. As there are 6 sides, hexagonal numbers or sequence. Second says next number in the sequence. So it is 1, then we have 7, then we have 19, we have 37. Check the gap 6. So 1 plus 6 is giving you 7. Now what is the gap between them? 12. Now 7 plus 12 is giving you 19. What is the next gap between 37 to 19? This is 18. So 19 plus 18 give you 37. What is the next number in the sequence? So next gap will be 24. So 37 plus 24 is 61. This is your answer. So what is the next number is the sequence? 61. Explain the rule behind it. What are these? These are multiple of 6. So this is nothing but the rule. Adding multiple of 6 to previous number. We are adding 6 to 1, which is the previous number. Here we are adding 12 to 7, which is the previous number. Next, express 8712 as a product of prime. So this is your prime factorization. Product of primes is prime factorization. Write the number. Since it is an even number, so you'll start with 2. Divide 8712 by 2. The result will be 4356. Again, it is an even number divided by 2. 2178. Again, it is an even number divided by 2. 1089. Now this is not an even number. Check whether this is divisible by 3 or not. What is the divisibility rule of 3? Adding all the digits. So sum of digits is giving you 18. This is divisible by 3. So 3, 6, 3. Again divisible by 3. 1, 2, 1. 1 to 1 is divisible by 11, 11, 11, 1. So express 8, 7 as a product of prime. So we will write all the prime numbers. These are the product of primes. Next, how many rounds does the number 5683 take to reach Kaprekar constant? First, you should know which number is known as Kaprekar constant. 6174 when it is a 4-digit number. There is a Kaprekar constant for 3-digit also, but here they are asking you to 4-digit number, so we have to find the step at which the result is 6174. So start with the largest number. formed by using 5683. So this is 8653. Smallest number is same, the same digit, 3568. What is the difference? Difference is 5085. This is round 1. We are not getting this 6174, so we'll move to round 2. Again create the greatest number using 5085, which will be 88550, largest, smallest. Remember, the smallest number should again be a 4-digit number. It cannot be a 3-digit number. So our placement of 0 should be in that manner only. So the result will be 3492. Difference. Then we'll move to round 3. Till the time we'll keep solving till we get 6174. So it will be 9432. This is your largest number. Which is the smallest number? 2349. Difference is 7083. 7083. Now move to round 4. Round 4 with digit 7083, which is the largest number. 8730. Smallest number will be 3078. Again, placement of 0 is important. 5652. Now round 5. Largest number is using 5652. 6552. Smallest is 2556. Difference is 3996. Now round 6. Largest is 9963. Smallest is 3699. Difference is 6264. Round 7. Largest 6642. Smallest 2466. Difference is 4176. Now round 8. Largest is 7641. Smallest is 1467. And difference is 6174. Now why it is known as Capricorn constant? If you arrange this 6174 in largest or the smallest form, and the difference will again 6174, so it will go on loop every time when you arrange it in largest form, in smallest form, and the difference will always be 6174. So how many rounds required? Answer will be 8 rounds. Next, 24 as a sum of two odd prime numbers. So odd prime numbers, 19 plus 5. So there are more, 11 plus 13. 53 is a sum of three odd primes. So 11, 19 plus 23. There are more combos you can try. Twin prime. Which are twin prime? The numbers which are prime and there should be a gap of 2. Basically they should be a consecutive numbers. So 71 and 73. Next, look at the figure and name the following. A line. Line is dB with a symbol. So if you put dB with this, then it will be a line segment. Okay, so it's always advisable to keep symbol, whether it's a ray, it's a line segment, or a line. Next, 4 line segment with common endpoint. So you can choose any common endpoint. I am taking O as common endpoint. So OB with line segment sign OC. We have 2 endpoints. Then OE with a line segment. Then OD with a line segment. Now 4 rays with same starting point. I'm using the same points but with ray symbol OB. Now starting with O, going towards B. OC, again starting with O. OE, starting with O. OD. So if you put this symbol of ray, it will become ray. If you put a symbol of line segment, then it will become a line segment with 2 endpoints. How many points? 5 points. So point D, point E, point O, point C, and point B. 5 line points. Next, observe the following pattern and complete the following. So if you see first 2 top, these are reverse of each other. Top, this is inverted triangle and this is normal triangle. So these are opposite of each other. Same with this. What you will do? You will draw. This is towards right, so make it towards left. Next. So this will be in the same pattern with a leaf, 2 parts, yellow, white, yellow, white, yellow, white. So this will be yellow and next will be white. Next, now see 110. So if you add all the numbers, this will give you 110. Similarly, second part 16 plus 40 plus 32 plus 24 is giving you 112. So what is our pattern? Adding all the numbers, right, left, or top, bottom, right, left. It's a sum which is written in the middle. So we will follow the same thing. Here middle number is given. So let this be x. We don't know this number. Let it be x. Or you can keep it as box only. Plus 12 plus 34 plus 23 is equal to 114. So you need to find this number. What is the sum? Sum is 69 plus box 14. So 114 minus 69 is 45. So what is the answer? Answer is 45. Next, how answer the following with the help of diagram. How many right angles do you make if you start facing south? So this is a direction based question. Draw all the 4 direction: north, south, east, west. Start facing south. Here you are, and turn clockwise to east. How many right angle? 1, 2, 3. So 3 right angles. Where will the hour hand of a clock stops? If it start from 10, start from 10. This is your 10. Start from 10 and through 3 right angle. 3 right angle means 90 plus 90 plus 90, which is 270. So how many parts? In one right angle there are 3 parts. 3 plus 3. So there will be 9 parts. Let's start moving. This is 1, 2, this is third part, fourth part, fifth part, sixth part, seventh part, eighth part, and this is ninth part. So where it will stop? It will stop at 7. This is your 270. These all are parts. Second part. This is third part, fourth part, fifth part, sixth part, seventh part, eighth part, ninth part. So answer is where it will stop at 7. Next, check the divisibility of the following numbers. What is the divisibility of 10? We'll check the last digit. So no, it has to be 0. When it is 0, then it is divisible by 10. No, as units place is not 0. Divisibility of 2. Again, we'll check the last unit place. It should be even. Hence, yes, unit place is even. Next, divisibility of 8. We check the last 3 digits. Divide by 8, 8, 1. 8, 1 again. 3, 2, 8, 4, 32. So yes, divisible. Now, divisibility rule of 3, we add all the digits. If it is a multiple of 3, then it is divisible. 7, not a multiple of 3. So, not divisible. Next, Shweta had prepared a table representing choice of vegetable. Okay. 80, 75, 65, 70. First, we choose the scale. So these all are multiple of 5. So we can take a 5 or we can take 10. So 1 unit is equal to 10 classmates. You can draw. This can be drawn using scale and pencil. So what you will represent on x-axis, this is x-axis. So here I am representing vegetable. Here number of classmates. You can draw a king as well, which is the smallest number. Smallest number is 60. So 60, 70, 80, 90. Your choice. You can take a gap of 5 also. So first one is lady finger, which is, let me write here, lady finger is 80. Then we have potato 75. Then we have carrot which is 65. Then we have capsicum, which is 70. Then we have cabbage, which is 60. This is a spring-like structure. We call it as kink to give a long jump. So first one is ladyfinger. Leave first box. So this one is lady finger. Again leave a gap. Next one is potato, which is 75. 75 is here. So this is potato. Next is carrot, which is 65. This is carrot. Next is capsicum. Capsicum is 70. Leave one gap. Capsicum. Again leave one gap. Last is cabbage. This is cabbage. These are known as excess title. You can write scale here again. 1 unit is equal to 5. No, we have taken 10. 10 classmates. If you have already written, no need to write here. This question is do it by your self. Practice question. There's an adjoining question. Which color is the most preferred and which color is least preferred? From here only you can say which one is most preferred. This yellow is most preferred. And which one is least? Green, least preferred.